I'm pretty sure the next heirloom is gonna be cryptos, no? Or Lobas? I think it's Lobas and then cryptos. Good morning, Shroom. How are you? Rotar, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Crypto's a katana? Dude, that's badass. I thought Valks was gonna be a katana. What's up?
Here, Horizon too. On my trip.
All I hear is my heirloom just going shing 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 shing. Over here. Nothing, Terry.
Oh, nothing either, Terry.
Crypto has an heirloom since when? Fuse is next? No, I thought it was low buzz. Are you serious? What the fuck are they gonna get Fuse? That his heirloom is next? Bruh. That means they're gonna buff Fuse.
Got a bandit in my sights. Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Need a third something. I don't have faith in this random bruv.
Replicator being delivered.
I've never seen The Office and I've never seen How I Met Your Mother, so I just have to by default rank Friends as number 1. What is Crypto's heirloom?
Enemy over there.
I stopped playing in season like 9 and 10, so maybe that's why I must have missed it. Anna? I don't even remember that happening. Crypto Store? I don't even think I've ever seen it. I missed out on 2 seasons of Apex as I stopped playing, so it must have been that season then that I stopped playing. The Office and Friends are your favorite shows. Friends was good. I've rewatched Friends like twice already. Gotta go too.
Where you wanna go?
Don't.
Okay.
Wings out.
Okay.
Kale, your mic is on.